If you want to become a certified system administrator, learn DevOps and continuous integration skills and so much more, we actually made the most advanced course to date. And the reason I'm having this website opened is that a lot of these positions that students are getting are actually more than 100,000 per year income. So in the next few minutes, I'll explain why this is the most advanced course that we've ever put out and what is inside. The course name is System Administrator version 3.0. This is a brand new rewrite, and you're going to go through 5 weeks, plus the last one is a bonus. And the reason I'll explain in a few minutes why we put AI as the last week is very important. So you'll start basically learning Linux and learning to operate a Minecraft server. For everything that we're doing, we prepared you a checklist, which is a document that literally has all the commands you need. It has all the explanations you need so that you don't need to look back in a 12-minute video and try to figure out how to copy from my video. You literally have everything on the screen. So after finishing week 1, you will understand how to set up a Minecraft server. You will already have a Minecraft server on your VPS. And at the very end, those of you guys that like to play with AI, we will show you this option. Now, the reason that I keep this as last is that I hate AI slop. And I don't like people who don't learn the actual skill set. They just rely on AI and they make themselves look like a quote-unquote proficient system admin. I think it's the last person that you would ever want to hire. And if you ever gonna get a great job from a company paying you $143,000 a year, I think that they can figure it out in a few minutes whether you actually know your stuff. So that's why first we learn everything the good old school way, and then I'm gonna show you how to steer everything you learned using AI, but not how to replace it. And then week 2 is Docker and control panels. So this is really cool because this is going to be a very visual week. You will install your Minecraft networks. We will set up an entire Velocity network in Docker on your own domain, on your own server. And I'll explain a lot of stuff here, how to work with Docker Compose, how to work with installing a Docker image, how to set up a panel, database, how to migrate your data. We will discuss other panels as well. And then we'll discuss about Kubernetes, Mindstorm, and how huge networks operate at scale. Now, week 3 is all about security and networking. So this week will help you understand how to protect yourself from botnets, how to protect yourself from automated attacks, because a lot of people don't know, but if you buy a VPS, literally within minutes, you're going to get hammered if you don't close your ports properly by automated scripts. And so much more. We will also cover HTTPS, SSLs, firewalls, reverse proxies, and VPNs, and WarGuard. Then week 4 is all about Minecraft network administration. So the previous week is networking in general, and then we will make it narrow just about Minecraft. We will discuss all the paper distributions and forks, how to properly pick the right hardware for your server. That is, if you want to have 50 players, 150 or even 500 players, how to do that. And then we'll discuss boot arguments, database management, and we'll install Redis. So by the end of watching these videos, you will also have the entire system fully functional. And then I'll show you how to debug this on a live plugin. We will be using Lockperms. It's very popular. And this Redis, we will also install a GUI layer so that you can easily inspect it without having to always stare at the terminal. And then week 5 is all about production. So how do you automate backups? How do you actually send yourself a Discord alert when your server goes down? How do you manage your logs so that stupid things don't eat up all of your disk space and then server dies silently? We will also set up TCP Shield to protect your server from DDoS. I'm going to set up automated scripts to measure your TPS, to measure your lag, and once the server hits a certain threshold, you can automatically run certain actions, which is pretty cool. And then we will discuss the continuous integration skills. So basically how to push updates from a centralized GitHub repository to your cluster. So I'm going to show you how to build continuous integration and how to build it in such a way that you can copy the same config over the entire network in a shared configuration, but also how to do partial updates so that if you have a Velocity network and you have 15 minigames network, they all can get different files depending on your needs. And then week 6, AI accelerator. So basically how to understand AI. A lot of great stuff here. How to do video editing, how to let AI take over your browser, computer use, how to even run uncensored and local models here. So basically how to do everything if you happen to have a powerful computer, how to generate text and AI locally. Anyways, it's a long week. This is the most advanced week that we've ever built, and it's going to give you amazing skill set that is in demand. It's not going to be replaced by AI because people literally pay for engineers who understand how to set it up, and they don't care if you use ChatGPT or not. They want to get it done. They don't trust AI slop. Everybody's sick and tired of people claiming that they know stuff and they just rely on ChatGPT, so that after finishing this course, you will actually able to understand it, and you'll actually able to know why things work. And then on the top, of course, if you want to accelerate it with AI, you can, but you will be able to steer it. You will be able to break it down and spot any slop or issues. So that's it. To celebrate the launch of the course, we're doing it 50% off. So click the link below, sign up during the official launch sale, and I can't wait to see you inside the program. Take care.